Olivia from Busy Bee Farms, and today I was going to tell you what we did on a Saturday today. So earlier today we went to co-op, and my parents spent a lot of money. We got some stuff for the garden, we got some sweet potatoes, we got some fence, because we got something coming up on the front garden, and that will be coming soon. We got some cattle panels and some T-posts and a lot more. And then we came back and we rehomed our rooster. Now, my little cousin Bailey and Natalie, they love animals and they have their own chickens. And so we noticed that we had a rooster in our batch of chickens from co-op. So we made a deal with the city not to have roosters, so we gave them to my little cousin. It was pretty funny, but he got rehomed today. He was there with my little cousins and my Nana. And then we moved the meat chickens today. We have moved them to a pasture down towards the goats, and I'm going to show you where we took them. They got water and food and shade and a lot of green grass. So let me take you there. So as we go down this dirt road, you can see the chicken tractor. My dad knows this lady with another chicken tractor, and we are borrowing hers for the minute. As our chickens grow and get healthy, we're going to keep them in her chicken tractor. So as you can see, there's some in the sun, and there's some in the shade. We got 2 waterers and some feed. Later we're going to make another feed bucket for them. But as you can see, they're very happy with their greens, their water, and their food. So whenever we went to co-op, we also got some goat feed and chicken feed. So Matthew got back home from co-op, and here's how we do the food. Busy Bee Farms. Make sure you like, follow, and share with all your friends. Anything you want to add? No? Okay. Bye. Have a blessed day.